Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you have a special little one in your life who would absolutely love their own pickup truck? Well, I want to show you this one here from Moderno Kids. This thing is amazing. It is a Ford F450 Super Duty pickup truck. It looks just like the real thing. It's incredible. And this has so many amazing features that your little ones are going to love. The sound of it is awesome when you start it up.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
So as soon as your kids hear that, they are going to be ready for excitement. It is easy to charge either with the battery in, or you can actually take it out. It's also built super well, so your kids are gonna have a really comfortable and safe ride. There are vegan leather seats that are super comfy. They have seat belts on both of them. There's a weight capacity of 100 pounds, so you can actually have two little ones in here at the same time. And there is shock absorbers in the front and rear suspension, so your kiddos are going to have not only a safe, but really comfortable and smooth ride, so they can have as much fun as possible. This has lights everywhere, and it just makes it look so exciting that your kids are going to have so much fun with it. It has a MP3 player and Bluetooth and an FM radio. There's so many different options, as well as it has custom rubber floor mats that are removable and a dust cover, so you can keep this thing looking its absolute best for a long time. There's a remote control, so parents can actually override or drive for the kids, so that helps to maintain a high level of safety. The fact that this truck is built with such quality materials and is extremely durable and definitely wear resistant, you can be confident that your kids are going to enjoy this for years to come. So if you're ready to bring some major joy and excitement into the lives of some special little ones that you know, I would definitely check out this incredible truck from Moderno Kids. It has definitely exceeded expectations. It is solidly built and really thoughtfully designed down to every little detail. And that is my point of view.